Hello and welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. For today's tip, we're going into Adobe Illustrator to learn how to create a very simple tree. The first thing you're going to do is grab the shape tool that is the star tool. And if you don't know already, once you drag the star tool, if you hit the up or down arrow keys, you can add or subtract anchor points from it. So we want to subtract enough from it using our down arrow key to create a perfect triangle. Then I'm going to choose the color green that I want to use for the tree and start with the biggest piece, so the base of the tree. Once you have that, we're going to go to Effect and down to Stylize and over to Drop Shadow. You can make your adjustments on how much of a shadow you want using the menu. When you're done, you're just going to go to Control-C, Control-V, or if you're on a Mac, use Command. And make each piece of the tree going up. Don't worry if they're not even. We're going to be able to fix that here in a second. I'll make one more for the top. Notice I'm shrinking each one a little bit each time. Now I'm going to grab each of these pieces, and if you look at your alignment options, you're going to see the one that has a line straight through the center. It says horizontal align center. If you click on that, that'll automatically align all of your triangles right down the middle so they're ready to go. As a final little step, you can add in a base to your tree just by grabbing a rectangle, adding in that trunk, adding the color of whatever you'd like that to be, and going to Object, Arrange, Send to Back to make sure it's behind all of your other pieces of the tree. And for an added bonus, if you want to, you can always add some snow, just some free-handed snow on top of there for some texture. I hope you enjoyed today's graphic design tip of the day.